Welcome to Weichert Realtors Southern Coast video training resource. This is the introduction to Weichert Works. What is Weichert Works? Weichert Works is our company's main hub. You will use this daily for news, communication from your BIC and management team, shortcuts to websites you will need, calendars for each office event and company-wide events, company contact list, marketing material, and much more. So let's get started. First thing we're going to need is the web address. You're going to need to type in weichert.backagent.net. Once you go there, it'll look just like my screen here, and you will have to put in your intranet ID, which will be your first name, a period, and then your last name. And the password you will be provided once you enter into Fast Track. So once you put those in, let's click on Keep Me Signed In and then Secure Sign In. Okay, so this is your start page. This is where you're going to have the blend for all our company news. Shortcut to the calendar. You're going to have tracking of your production. We have some ads here that were very helpful. If we click through, you can see there's some events on there. Also, some other resources like CHI Inspections, Southern Coast Builders, Movement Mortgage. These are folks that are going to help you build your business. Let's scroll down. You got some feature videos, some more quick links so you don't have to scroll through to find those. And as you can see, the news that are going through here. And you can see things like the Christmas party for our company, a open house, a broker open house, agents post on updates on new listings they have to share with all the agents we have within the company, price changes. So that's a quick overview there. Now I want to show you some things on the interface. First thing is this logo. This is called a hyperlink. You can click this anytime and it will bring you back to your home page. From there, let's go to tasks. When we click on tasks, this is a place you can go to remind yourself. You are going to prospect and you're going to need help remembering to follow up on a phone call or send an email. And this is a place you can do that at. If you just click Send Task, you can then pick what type of task you want to do. You want to ask for something from another associate or make a personal task reminder for yourself. It will be right here for you. It's a great organizational tool. And next I want to go to Inbox. And this is like a digital fax. You can send all types of documents to yourself or to another agent. This is an area that is very easily accessible. As you can see, put in the subject of what you're trying to send, choose the file you want, throw in some message and how urgent it is, and then just scroll down and hit the Send Fax Now. This would be the section that you would type in a name. So if you wanted to send me something, you would type in Joe. Find me, there I am. And then you would be able to send me that file that you're trying to share with me. After that, we're going to go to Leads. Leads is synced up with a program we utilize called Weichert Pro. So all the Weichert Lead Network leads you have should be populating in here as well for good tracking. So you can remember to touch now and to view. And you can click on these to gather more information. Here's a quick little shortcut where you can see their phone number. Send them a message. When the last time you got them. Their price range. All types of information to kind of help you along the way. So it's lead management you have. And then finally over here you have links. And this is going to be a tremendous help. Links will get you to all the other resources you need to utilize within the company. I'm going to go straight to quick resources. Agent website. You will be provided one. As soon as you get on board with us, we will create one for you. And you're going to have to access that. So here's a shortcut. You click on there. It will take you to our website with it asking for your login credentials so that you can go in there And you will use this to get information of a lead, because you will have people visiting your website, or perhaps the company through rotation will send company generated leads to you through your website, and you will access it from here to get the lead's name, number, email, and further information that's required. The next thing you have is company email. You provide it with a company email when you come on board. And this is where you can click on and get a shortcut to sign into your email address, which is typically your first initial and your last name at southern-coast.com with the password that was provided to you in the introduction of Fast Track. Another great resource is doors material. This is a design center. Actually, it's WeichertDesignStore.com. And this is where you can pick door hangers, brochures for buyer consultation, listing presentation, a bunch of great resources for marketing to promote your business. Then you have horrycounty.org. It's a shortcut to get there. You will utilize this to gather information. You're going to need facts about your clients, or perhaps you may need to research a property. Utilize the GIS system they have, checking for flood zones, measuring lot dimensions. A lot of cool stuff you can do in horrycounty.org. And then you have Prop Tools, or Reese. It's another great shortcut. The Prop Tools is going to look like this. Well, you'll have to log in, and you can use this resource to get a quick summary of a legal description of a property. The owner's name of the property, their mailing address, taxes that they've had to pay. Sometimes you'll even get how much they paid for the property. Great resource there. Another cool thing you can do with Prop Tools is verify mailing addresses that they're good. So when you're farming to addresses that actually have folks living in them. Then you have RPR. It's a great resource to get property information. It's another good shortcut. SkySlope. That's the transaction management system that we will be utilizing. This is how you're going to communicate with your transaction coordinator, who's going to assist you with all those time-sensitive contingencies in the contracts you're going to write, and help you manage that and gather all the information you need. This is also how you're going to be paperless and get digital signatures for contracts. Another great resource. Weichert Events. This is so you're in the know with what's going on with our franchise. All types of good stuff going here, like our 2017 Weichert Summit in Las Vegas. Weichert.com, our national site. Zip forms, which you will utilize zip forms to write up contracts. All the contracts you are going to need will be in zip forms. Listing agreements, purchase agreements, addendums. And that's going to sum up the links. This is the best resource and makes this a one-stop shop, our hub. Now I want to show you the settings. Right here by my photo, there's a little gear. Let's click on that. This is the section you're going to want to go through one by one. Update my info. Ensure your name is displayed how you would like. Your mobile number is correct. Your work email is correct. Your fax number is correct. The address of your main office you're working out of is correct. And you can add several, as you can see. Once you've done that, you'll click Update. Now I'm going to go back to Settings. View signature for your email. This is where you're going to want to update your signature. Ensure that it looks just how you like. As you can see, my name, my position, Weichert Realtors Southern Coast, my cell phone number, my fax number, and my website. Update, and you're all done. Let's go back to settings. If you want to change your password on your account, your preferences for email notifications, let's click there. Let's ensure we have this turned on correctly. Services. Let's check all of these. Oop, I had one missed. Thank God I came here. What you want to do is make yours look like mine. Have all these checked. Email, announcements, updates, associate posts. Let's update notifications and then go back to settings. View calendar subscriptions. What this is going to do is put your calendar on your phone. So let's start with office calendar. Yours is going to say office calendar and personal calendar. So if you have an Android device, you'll click on Google Android. It has simple instructions to follow. All you have to do is click on here and click yes, add this calendar, or manually copy and paste in a browser, and you're all set. If you have an iPhone, click on Apple iCloud. Ensure your email is correct here. Email link. Then all you have to do is open that email on your phone. It will have a highlighted web address. You'll click on that. It will automatically add this calendar to your iPhone calendar. And that's all there is to it. Let's go back to settings. Quick links and resources. Again, this is very valuable. This is the settings for that, which you won't go in here, but I'll just cover it real quickly. We're going to add things in there as we need. But what you can do is ensure that you have passwords set up for some of these things. So that way when you click on the links, they will log you in. For instance, Weichert Lead Network. When you click on Weichert Lead Network in the links, it takes you straight to Weichert Pro, automatically logged in. So you want to update these. Let's go back to settings. Set up my device for the mobile app. If you have an iPhone, you can go into your Apple App Store, type in Weichert Works, and download the app. It is the mobile version of this website. As you can see, mine's here, it is activated, and I will show you. It's so easy to add it. You will click right here, add a device, click on iOS Apple, and get the setup code. Now, once you have gone into your App Store on your iPhone, typed in Weichert Works, downloaded the application, and opened it, it will look just like this here on your screen with this blank. All you have to do is type in this number that is showing, click activate on your phone, And now you have Weichert Works on your phone. And it's that simple. Now you want to check here from time to time. I'm going to remove this. But you want to check here from time to time for those of you who have an Android phone, because we want to see this, get it on Google to say now available. Currently, it is in development, but once it's available, then you will be able to do the same thing as the Apple iPhone and have Weichert Works on your phone. Now that is the introduction to Weichert Works. I want to thank you for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe, and I will see you next time.